I've already demonstrated installing Server 2019 Data Center Desktop Experience and the Server Core operating system. So now is your time to work through a challenge on your own. What I would like for you to do is create a new virtual machine named RTS-SVR1, and we'll just call it RTS Serve 1, with 2 gigabytes of memory. Now that's entered in megabytes as we saw before, 2048 megabytes, and be sure you enable dynamic memory. When we install this, we want to choose Windows Server 2019 Data Center Desktop Experience as the operating system. After the install, name the computer RTS-SVR1, so that will be the name of the virtual machine and of the computer itself. And for the IP configuration, you can use 192.168.1.251 with the default subnet mask. Now, we're not connecting to the internet, so we don't need a default gateway. Just set the DNS server to be 192.168.1.250, which is the IP address of the domain controller RTS-DC1. When that is defined, simply join it to the rtsnetworking.com domain. Do make sure that it's on the same virtual switch as well when you create the virtual machine. All should be well, and you should be able to work through that. If you have any issues, you can simply refer back to the demonstration we did earlier or to the Course Lab setup, which walks through installing the operating system and all the settings associated with that. Good luck.